Hi, this is LmKeith at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon, and I am going to show you this absolutely beautiful North Point fifth wheel by Jayco. It is huge. It's got tons of amenities. It's beautiful inside. It's like an apartment. You could live in it. It's gorgeous. Plenty of room. It has a bath and a half, 3 sinks total, like 2 in one of the bathrooms and 1 in the little half bath. It is different because it's got the living room is up above in the front. That's not always how they're set up. So you've got great storage, and there is this awesome outdoor kitchen. I love it because you've got the awning that could keep you protected from the sun, wind, or rain, and great little outdoor mini fridge. This stove, have to push buttons and release it, but it pulls out. You've got a griddle and burners, and then you've even got a sink. So you could make a full meal deal out here. So it would be wonderful. Families love having that sort of thing. I mean, I love cooking for my family, so indoors or outdoors. Great to be able to do both. So we'll go on inside and see how luxurious this is. So we'll start out in the kitchen. Definitely a chef's kitchen. Tons of prep space. You've got a beautiful residential size oven and stove. Got the microwave up above. Again, residential size refrigerator and freezer. But I mean, look at this. Look how luxurious this is. The beautiful pendant lights. You've got a TV right here in your kitchen, and it's double-sided. There's a TV on the other side too, and we'll go and look at that in a minute. But yeah, wine rack. The molding is absolutely gorgeous. The contrast between the dark and the light is lovely in here. Very, very on trend. So we've got the little half bath with the barn door, which is very trendy and also serves for privacy. But go ahead and check that out. It's got glass tile on the backsplash, really nice high ceiling, and there's a skylight in there, which gives you natural light, which is always really nice. I love windows. So first we'll go upstairs to the bedroom. Storage right here, all the way through there's storage. You've got a little reading nook. You know I like reading. Lots of drawers, the mirrored cupboards, closets. Got a wall-mounted TV in the master suite here. More barn doors, and those are all very cool. Huge king-size bed. Great for you and your husband, you and your partner, and your dogs. My dogs always sleep with us, so we have to have a big bed. And I know I'm not the only one. So we'll go into this humongous master bathroom. It is just beautiful. Got a huge residential size shower. We've got 2 beautiful vessel style sinks in this master bathroom, and these are ceramic. They're not plastic like some RVs. They're plastic to save on weight, but these are not. They went all out for this. You can see that there is plenty of elbow room in this master bathroom. Gorgeous color scheme. Flows right into back into the master bedroom, and then we'll go down the stairs again, and we'll go through the dining room here. I love all the cupboard space, tons of space. We've got the cute little dinette, and it does pull out so you can have more chairs, and there are 2 more chairs in storage. Got your USB port so that you could charge everything. Very convenient. More pendant lights in here, which also add just an air of luxury to the whole thing. So upstairs here, we are in the living room. I mean, doesn't this just look like, what would you call it? A man cave. I mean, huge TV. You've got the fireplace, you've got the stereo, All these couches do fold out, so they become beds. And then you got the really cool entertainment center type couches that have the cup holders. They've got heated seats. They've got the massage vibration stuff going on. So while you're watching TV, you can get yourself a massage. The molding goes all the way through. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think this is one of the nicest fifth wheels that I've ever been in, and I've been in quite a few. Okay, so this is Lisa Keith at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon, and this is the North Point 2022 by Jayco. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, give us a call. Thank you.